The Crayon King's Rainbow Connection. Ah, the Crayon Kingdom. Welcome back, my colorful friends. Today, we're journeying high up into the sky to discover the story of two clouds and a very special rainbow. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, on one side of the Crayon Kingdom sky, there was a happy cloud. This cloud was as fluffy as marshmallow and sparkled with joy. The sunshine danced along its edges, making it shimmer like silver. It floated along without a care, enjoying its perfect little corner of the world. On the other side of the sky, far, far away, was a different kind of cloud. This cloud was soft and gray, carrying heavy raindrops that it wasn't ready to let go of. The sad cloud floated quietly, not noticing much around it. Now you might be thinking, what could a happy cloud and a sad cloud have in common? Well, let me tell you, they were about to find out, just like we are. One bright and breezy day, the Crayon Kingdom wind decided it was time to stir up some magic. The wind loved to play, swirling and twirling, making leaves dance and kites soar. But today, the wind had an idea. It rushed over to the happy cloud and whispered, "There's something wonderful waiting for you if you move just a little." The happy cloud felt puzzled. Move? But why? Everything was already perfect. The wind didn't wait for an answer. It was already on its way to the sad cloud. "Come along," it said softly. "You're about to create something wonderful." The sad cloud hesitated. Move? What difference would it make? But the wind was patient and kind. It nudged the clouds gently, little by little, until they began to drift toward each other. Closer and closer they came, floating across the wide open sky. The happy cloud thought, "What's this all about?" And the sad cloud thought, "I'm not sure this is working out." But still they floated on, carried along by the playful wind. And then, just as their edges were about to touch, something incredible happened. A rainbow appeared. It wasn't just any rainbow. This rainbow was the brightest, most colorful rainbow the Crayon Kingdom had ever seen. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple stretched across the sky, connecting the happy cloud to the sad cloud like a beautiful bridge. The happy cloud sparkled even more, feeling a joy it had never known before. And the sad cloud? It began to feel lighter, its raindrops lifting as if the rainbow had taken away all its heaviness. You see, this rainbow wasn't something either cloud could create on its own. It was their gift to the Crayon Kingdom, a symbol of what happens when we come together, even when we're different. Have you ever felt like a happy cloud full of sunshine? Or maybe like the sad cloud carrying a little rain? Maybe it could be that you felt like the rainbow, a connection between others bringing color and joy wherever you go. Think about it. Right now, which one are you? Rainbows don't just happen, you know. They need light from the sun and drops of rain to come together. It's like that old saying, "If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together." We all have an opportunity to become a connection between others, to bring color and joy wherever we go. The happy cloud and the sad cloud learned this lesson, and it's one we can all remember. Now here's a fun challenge for you. Look out the window. What kind of clouds do you see? Are they puffy and white like the happy cloud, or soft and gray like the sad one? And here's an idea. Grab some crayons, markers, or pencils and draw your very own rainbow. Remember, every rainbow is unique, just like you are. Did you know that rainbows aren't just beautiful? They're science in action. They happen when sunlight passes through raindrops, bending and reflecting to create those magical colors. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, and one more thing. This rainbow right here, the one you're looking at on the screen, was drawn with crayons during one of my classes. A student had the idea, and together we made it happen. That's the power of working together. Wow, what a story. I hope you enjoyed listening to it as much as I enjoyed telling it. And I hope it brought a little sunshine to your day, whether or not it's raining outside. If you love hearing magical stories and learning how to draw, Ask a grown-up to visit my channel for more colorful adventures. And don't forget, we've got a fun rainbow drawing waiting for you next time. Thanks for being a part of the Crayon Kingdom, and remember, the masterpiece you're creating isn't just your drawing, it's you. Keep shining bright, and I'll see you soon.